Hey YouTube. This was a tossed out Sony Dream Machine clock radio with CD player. Unfortunately, the CD player itself stopped working months ago. So it's only an AM/FM radio, and I'm taking it apart. Oh, ribbon cable. It budges together. Take a close up of that circuitry. Here's some salvageable components in here. Dave from EEV blog will definitely know a lot more about this than me. But most of these circuit board components are going to end up in my parts bin. But for now, the speakers are what I'm after, because I've always held on to speakers. Yay! More screws for the interface. Zoom in on that while I take that apart. Get this off. Grr. They soldered the flat flex cable right on it, so I can't take it off. So I'm just taking the whole board off. Holding on to all the screws. Oops! Dodgy tripod, excuse me for that. Let's zoom in on that. Just get that board off. One more screw. And it should. Little coaxing pop right off. A lot of membrane switches in there. The speakers. Would you just focus already? There we go. Huh? 4 ohms, 3 watts. Definitely salvageable speakers. Let's see how they're fixated in here. Oh, they seem to be just clipped. Oh! Keep bumping me, tripod. Pan over to that. And they're just clipped in, and they some coaxing, they pop right out. Oh, dusty. Trash box. That transformer could be useful. The CD assembly is hit. There's our ferrite AM coil. You can see that. Could be useful. A lot of these capacitors, let's see who made them, are salvageable. Elena Alana is not what I've ever heard of. Sony, I would expect better from you. I'm not totally gonna take this thing apart, but I am holding on to. Jeez, it's still plugged in. Let's unplug that. This is a backlit LCD, and I'm just gonna break it off. They really got this sucker down, don't they? Oh, biggie, 2 weak green LEDs. Definitely the rest is going in the parts bin. I will salvage the rest of the electronic components someday. But for now, I got my speakers, which can be used for a lot of projects. Sadly, maybe even the LCD. Well, nothing more amazing in this. Go in my pots box over here. I'm gonna mount this. Seems to be a magnet in here. A ceramic magnet. That could prove useful. It's only screwed in. It's just for holding the it's a spindle for holding the CD down to stabilize it while it's spinning. Weak laser diode. It's not junk, it's salvageable. It's going into my parts box, because my electronic bins is pretty full of electronic components, so that'll I just have to do. Nice. I'll have to clean up these speakers though. I like how they're wired in series. Speakers are definitely something I hold on to. Well, that's about it, YouTube. It's been fun taking this thing apart. Not much I can salvage about right now. Gotta get my desoldering iron. Solder sucker deal. But it's been fun. I love taking apart electronics and salvaging components. They're very useful for other projects. Goodbye, YouTube.